In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a drop-down menu in WordPress and have many different levels of parent-child relationship. It's really simple and it's really basic stuff, and we're gonna quickly go over it. And I'm Andrew from WordPress, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress content. So I have this free version of Athra theme here, and if I just bring my admin panel and appearance and menus, this is a place that you can manage all of your menus. And here, as you can see, we have actually a drop-down menu. I'm using starter themes and it has created this for me, but we're gonna create our own drop-down menus. It's really simple, but first you have to make sure that you have a menu defined. So in this case, I have this menu called main menu, and you can just make sure that you have a menu defined by checking these manage locations. And if you have a menu, then you can just see its name here. For example, in this case, this main menu is assigned to the primary menu location of my theme. If you do not have a menu, then you can just simply create one from here. And then I have created two pages here, our story and about the future. And if I just add them to my menu, then you can see they're just being created here. And of course, by default, they will create their own section in the menu. But if we want to create submenus and a parent-child relationship, then we can just simply drag one of them and, for example, put it here below the about. And actually, as you can see, it's indenting. And now I can just do it for the second one and here. And if I just save my menu and visit my website, you can see we have this menu. We have the parent menu, the parent text here is about, and we have our story and about the future. And for example, if I want to nest one level more, I can just, for example, bring about the future here, and then it's actually a submenu of a submenu. So we have about, then our story, and then about the future. And if I just save it and view my website again, you can see that we have our story and then about the future. And also on mobile devices, it's just working, and we have about, and then our story, and then about the future. The thing is that your theme should support this feature, so it's always like this. But if your theme doesn't support this feature, then you cannot use it. And most premium themes, actually all of them support this feature, so you can just simply use them. The stylings are different, but they all just support drop-down menus. And that's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. For more WordPress content, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.